Happy Monday. I hope everybody is enjoying your research project. We do have to continue on though to get through our units, but I'm splitting them a bit. So, world history, greatest subject ever. First thing you're doing is watching the announcements. So if you're even seeing this, you're doing the right thing. So once we do this, you're going to watch the intro from the cynical historian. That's kind of entertaining. That's just to emphasize that, yes, history is a lot of reading and writing. This is what we do. This is why I make you do this. Then you're going to watch part 2 of how to read a document. That's the Khan Academy going on. Then how to watch a primary source. That's me. I'm going to show you how to go find a primary source. You need one for this little research project. You can find it through Google. It's just a fun search it do you put in there. Google, remember, is not a reliable source, but it is not a bad search engine. I'll also show you Google Scholar. It's just slightly different. You need to find a primary source once again. You're going to then watch how to critique a primary source. And I'm going to have you list the source mentioned, describe how to analyze each of these, including what you are looking for, and explain how you then critique a primary source. Continue researching your topic. Annotate your second source using what you just learned. So that's part 1 of the class, is working on the paper. Then go ahead and go back and watch Crash Course in History, Ancient Egypt. We're in Ancient Egypt. Discuss, of course, the video. So how did Egypt change the world, and what were the important inventions, and what brought about the downfall of the dynasties? John Green's going to tell you all of this. So listen to him and answer the question I am asking. Don't come up with your own question and then answer it. Some of you have been doing that and it doesn't work. Then your homework is Ancient Egypt vocabulary. Yes, you must draw on it. Once again, you can do that through Kami. Okay, so I am going into Ancient Egyptian vocabulary. Notice there's a doc for it. Open with Kami. Usually I say I love Word more. No, for things like this, I love Kami more because it's easier to draw. Annotating, you can do either one. There's a video in here how to annotate with Word. Please watch it if you're having any problems with Kami. Okay, we're converting. And here once again is in Kami. So let's go. Okay, and we are back once again under Cradle of Civilization. Okay. Of course, you do still have one more item next week, but we're going to get to that in a moment until we go back to the research paper. You should have already picked a topic. If you haven't picked a topic, you are way behind. You will now also be critiquing primary sources, annotating your second source, just the same way you did the first, but I'm giving you more information on how to do it. And annotating your primary source. Also, you're going to tell me why we cite. Some of that will be on your second day. So you do need to, once again, cite your primary source. Then you need to start researching Ancient Egypt after you pick a pillar of society. That is only using the pillar as your point of view. I want to hear about Ancient Egypt, not the pillar. You will be doing this creatively on Flipgrid. If you want to be counted here, it's last name, then first name. That's how you play this game, or you are not here. Thank you. Bye.